Okay, we are now going to write the function represented by the piecewise graph below. We are going to use our function rule structure here. Of course, we'll be writing the range part in this area and the domain part in this area. Okay, we're going to look at our graph and notice that this graph splits on the y-axis, which is the line x equals 0. To the right of that line we have x greater than 0, and to the left of that line we have x less than 0. This will help us see where the graph splits. In order to write the equation for the left half, let's identify m and b. Our b, of course, is at 3 on the y-intercept. Our slope, we need to identify 2 points. You can pick any 2 points that are on the line that cross at good grid lines. And then, of course, you want to go left to right. We would go down 1 and over 1. So that's a slope of -1, down 1 and over 1, which equals -1. We can now use that to write our equation for that part of the graph would be y equals -x plus 3. We can put that over in the range area here. We don't need the y equals because we have the f of x equals, so we'll just write the -x plus 3 part, and that is for the domain where x is less than 0. Because we have an open circle here, we'll just leave it as less than. If it were a closed circle, we would want to say equal to. Now doing the right-hand side of the graph, where x is greater than 0, again, we need to identify our m and b. Our b here is equal to 1 on the y-axis, that's our y-intercept, and our slope, if we pick any 2 points, going from left to right would be up 1 and over 1, which is a slope of 1. Our equation then for the right side, y equals mx plus b, would be y equals 1x plus 1, or just x plus 1, for the side of the graph where x is greater than 0. Remember, because this is a closed circle, we want to say greater than or equal to 0 in our equation.